Hi guys, how to get the black coat in Roblox. Step 1. Wait. Step 1, we're gonna go to get a boat dealer. We're gonna get a sloop to get faster. And step 2, you will go to the is it again the Marine Fortress. We're gonna go there. Wait guys, I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna pause it for now. Just wait guys. Okay guys, we are almost there. We are almost there. And how to get the vice coat. When you don't get it, just sponsor another server and another server and another server and another server to get the coat, the vice coat that the vice coat wear. And we're almost there. That rhymes. Oh my god. And there we are here now to get the Chief Petty Officer. And step 2, go to this marine right here and go to Vice Admiral and say computer. If you're 130 level, just kill the boss. There. Just do this. I have a hack. Do this and go to here and get the Vice Admiral and follow you. And do this. You will not get hit. And kill him for the coat. Get the coat. Guys, we're gonna kill him. Yeah. But we don't get the coat, so wait, we're gonna region back to get the looking coat, guys. I'm joining back to get the coat. We are ready guys. Making a circle right now. Let's wait. Let's get a circle. Let's say a circle. Let's circle. Guys, please support me. Yeah, I don't have the money. Please subscribe right now to get the coat. Like and subscribe. Sorry for that. Guys, get the coat, you need to go over the marine. Go to the marine and quest. And we're gonna confirm and go to the boss. Where's the boss, bro? Bro, we wait. We're gonna wait, guys. I'm just gonna pause the video. Wait, I'm just gonna pause the video. I'm gonna get the boss right now. Wait, guys. I supposed to get the black cape. I'm gonna sit here. Step 1, go to here. Here. And go to this tunnel right here. Is this a tunnel? Wala. Speak to Parlous and speak like that. You need I don't know, 50,000 money for that to get the cake. Let's see the boss if is there. The boss is there, bro. Boss, no, don't kill me, bro. No. Bro, I just died. Let me go to this.
Nahawakan ka niya,
The freaking boss. The boss. And we killing the boss to get the cape, the coat. Bro. Bro cannot catch me, bro. Bro cannot catch me, bro. Bro, catch me. Ah! Let's kill this boss. Bro. Bro, are you supposed to kill him, bro? Bro, he's a cheater. Bro's a cheater.
May chicks ba dyan?
I don't know if we get the code. Just do that, guys, to get the code. The video ends. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. Bye. Hey guys, we love you. We out. Peace.